Square roots and cube roots, lesson 3 notes. Example number 8. Given the volume, find the edge length of each cube. So we are going to find the edge length given the volume. So for A, the volume is 216 inches cubed. For B, it is 1,331 millimeters cubed. And for C, it is 166.375 feet cubed. Those are the numbers that we are going to plug in for the V. Now remember, the first step is to always write down your formula. So always write your formula down. So the 16 is going to go in for the V because it's the volume. 1,331 goes in for the volume. Each one of these will replace the V. And we're going to be solving for the edge length. And the edge length is S. So up here where we wrote edge length, I want you to put that this is S. We're solving for S. All right. So I'm going to put 216 equals the side length cubed. I want to isolate the variable. That what the variable is a exponent, the cube. So the inverse operation to cubing a number is the cube root. So don't forget to put the 3 on your root sign. I'm going to take the cube root of both sides. So the cube and the cube root will cancel, only leaving an S. And now we need to take, I'm going to put it on this side. We're going to take the cube root of 216. So, cube root of 216 equals 6. So 6 equals S. Again, no units in there. We need to take it and write our final answer off to the side. So for my final answer, it's going to be 6 inches. Remember, when we're done here, the units will have, it'll be a single unit, so it's just inches. All right, that's it for A. For B, I'm substituting in 1,331 and for the volume, and we're solving for the S, solving for the side length. Since it's S cubed, the inverse to cubing a number is the cube root. So you put the root sign with the 3 in it. I'm going to take the cube root of both sides. So the cube and the cube root cancel. Over here, swipe to get my cube root, swipe back, 1,331, that is 11. So 11 equals S. Again, no units in there. Off to the side is where I will write my final answer. So my final answer is 11 millimeters. And remember, I get my units from up at the given part. All right, for C, I'm going to substitute in 166.375 equals S cubed. Again, it's a cube, so I need to take the cube root of both sides. The cube and the cube root cancel. Swipe to get my cube root. 166.375. Cube root of 166.375. That is 5.5. So 5.5 equals S. Now for my final answer. Up here's my unit. It's not going to be feet cubed, it's just going to be feet. because it's like taking the cube root of feet also. The cube root and the cube on the feet would cancel out. So this would just be 5.5 feet. And that is it for example number 8. If you have any questions on example 8, let me know.